In this video, I'm going to tell you a short story about someone who actually bought a home with a reverse mortgage. Me. I was a financial advisor for 35 years before I retired. In my career, I've also trained thousands of financial advisors. Yet even with that experience, I knew almost nothing about reverse mortgages until I retired. I've also found that most real estate agents, CPAs, and financial planners don't know much about them either. A couple of years after retiring, I decided to move into a more suitable home for my retirement lifestyle. Since interest rates were at record lows, we decided to get a mortgage and use the extra cash to remodel the new house. I called my bank and they took an application right over the phone. After some routine questions, they asked if I was employed. No, I took an early retirement, I said. Then she asked me if I had any pensions or was I collecting Social Security. I told her I didn't want to take my pension or Social Security until I was 66 years old so I could maximize my monthly benefits. But unless you have income right now, you won't qualify for very much money, they told me. I told them I had plenty of equity in the house I was selling, and I had other retirement savings I had accumulated over the years. They knew my credit was good and that I never missed a mortgage payment. I was able to buy the house anyway, so I bought it. After we fixed the house up, I got a little bored with being retired and decided I wanted to go back to work. That's when I discovered reverse mortgages. I liked what I saw and decided this would be a great second career. So I ended my retirement, did a lot of research on these FHA programs, and went into the business. Advising retirement age people about reverse mortgages was a great fit for my background. After all, I thought, who knows more about retirement planning than me? I liked the concept so much that I used it in my own retirement and income planning. With my reverse mortgage, I'm in complete control over my home and cash flow. I can sell the home, remodel it, refinance it, or leave the house to my kids. And though many people, including myself, decide to make no monthly mortgage payments, I can make payments if I want the interest deduction on my taxes. I've been advising retirees for 40 years now, and I've got to tell you that I believe this is a great retirement planning tool. I recently bought another house, a nice 100-year-old bungalow in one of the nicest neighborhoods in San Diego with, you guessed it, a reverse mortgage. I used my own cash from the sale of my previous home, along with the cash I got from the FHA-insured reverse mortgage program to buy the house. I have no mortgage payment and more money left over to do whatever I want, like helping my grandchildren go to college. And I've got a nice new master bedroom suite planned for the house. I also get to work in a business I really like. I feel like I'm making a real contribution to the lives of my clients. As a reverse mortgage specialist, I'm completely independent, so I can work with almost every major reverse mortgage lender in the United States. I work hard to make sure my clients get the best deal available. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and see more retirement planning information. Email me from my website below and I'll send you a free book put out by the U.S. government that tells you more about using your home's equity in retirement. I hate to be boastful, but with 40 years in the business of money and planning, I don't think you'll find anyone more qualified. I usually advise people not to call an 800 number from a TV ad to get advice from an out-of-state salesperson. Make sure the person who advises you is not only a licensed realtor, but also knows your local market. I'm not only an experienced financial advisor, I'm a licensed California realtor, and I'm licensed with the nationwide mortgage licensing system. I work in Southern California with people in San Diego, Los Angeles, Orange, and Riverside counties. Every client I have has a different reason to use this program. What's your story? Click below and let me know.